One of the advantages to using Sprinklr over publishing via native platform or other social media scheduling tools is the ability to add custom fields. Custom fields are customized metadata and tags that can be used for filtering your posts and for reporting. For example, here are some custom fields used by University Communications for our reporting efforts. We're tracking whether a post has paid support behind it, what strategic focus area and the primary audience are for each post. Custom fields in our system are controlled by our tier tags. Each unit is given a tier 1 and a tier 2 tag, and some units may need a tier 3 tag. These are used to control the visibility of the metadata. Tier 1 is typically the college or the highest level unit in the organization. Tier 2 might be a department or program. Tier 3 may be used for brand or other programs. University Communications must set up your custom fields. We are happy to work with you to develop the best strategy for your needs. Once you have custom fields in place, you'll be able to use them to filter your editorial calendar. For example, I can filter by whether something has paid, what our focus area was, primary audience, perhaps the post type, whatever tag I might choose. Now my calendar selection will be filtered. The same filtering is available on reporting dashboards. You can see here, graphic and photo, or I can add other filters to choose other options. When creating a post, custom fields are added directly through the publishing process. You choose your tier 1 and your tier 2 tags, and then based on your selections for those options, additional tags will populate. I would choose my preferences here. Anything with a red dot is required. And then this becomes part of the data affiliated with that post. And the post would be filterable on these fields from the editorial calendar or the reporting dashboard. It's a very powerful way to dive deeper into the data behind your accounts and to really understand what type of content is resonating with your audience